I'm Sam. We're here in Rosemead. I'm actually one of the project managers for Pinnacle Restoration, and this was a job that we did here in the restroom where an actual leakage happened in their ceiling. Basically, it was a long time leakage, and it basically molded out the ceiling here as well as the back of the shower throughout the flooring down here. And basically what we had to do is we had to come in and remove all the drywall, remove the shower, remove the cabinets here as you see here, and basically start the mold remediation process. We basically contained the area and put it under negative air pressure and then removed all the contaminated items. And then from there what we ended up doing is sanding down the studs, the joists, and from there we went ahead and restored the bathroom and put a new shower in, new toilet, new vanity here, what you see, as well as the cabinets. So this was actually a complete restoration in this entire bathroom here. Please call if you have any questions. We're here available 24/7 in all 5 counties. We service the Orange County, Los Angeles, as well as the Inland Empire.